What's up everyone? These days, if you want to make a load of sales on Amazon Japan, then you have to differentiate your products, okay, to stand out. So in order to help you get your mind around the ways to think about how you can differentiate your products, I'm going to show you in this video 2 examples of products that have used simple differentiation strategies to make a killing on Amazon Japan. So let's get it. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Also, if you're new to the channel, my name is Mitch Davis and this channel is all about selling products on Amazon Japan, FBA. Okay, so product differentiation. These days, if you just sell the same product as the next person, then you're probably going to struggle, right? It's going to be tough for you. There's a high chance you're going to fail. You have to be different, you have to stand out, and not just stand out, you have to give more value and give a reason why the customer should click into your listing and buy your product over someone else's. Okay, so always keep that in mind. Why should the customer buy your product instead of someone else's? So there's different ways to differentiate, and in this video, as I said, I'm going to be giving you 2 good examples. They're very simple, but they're very powerful, okay? So back in the day, you could just like change the color of your product or change the size, but these days, that's not really enough. It's not really going to cut it. So with that being said, I'm going to jump into my computer and we'll get into the first product example. Okay, so the first product I'm going to be showing you is a classic product that's been around for years, right? And it's the ring box, just a ring box, right? So when you think about a ring box, what comes into your brain? What do you imagine, right? So usually for me personally, I'd think something like this, just a typical kind of cube shaped black box. And yeah, there's so many different ways you could differentiate and make a unique ring box, okay? So but you know, you do different colors, but as I said, colors won't really cut it these days. You'd have to have like a really unique design. But the point of difference that this one seller's done is so simple yet so genius, okay? So these 4 here, they are actually paying to be in this position. You can see it says here sponsor. These are the sponsored ads, okay? So I won't count these, but we'll show you the best, the top row of the best sellers here. And right here you can see these top 4. So right here, this is the product I'm talking about. All they've done, so you can see they've got the bestseller badge. All they've done is they put a little LED light in their box, and they are killing it. So this is just the normal ones here, normal square box. Come down here. This one's pretty unique. It's a circle, but all these other ones is just a typical kind of square box, right? And then, so if you come in here, this is the SELLERSPRITE Chrome extension, which if you don't know what this is, I've got a bunch of videos on it. It's basically the best product research tool for Amazon sellers, for Amazon Japan. And you can look at the revenue and the roughly like how many sales they're doing per month. So I'll just load this up for you in a second. Okay, so you can see the sales numbers down here. So this is the last 30 days sales. So this is the product I'm talking about. It's done 927 sales in the last 30 days. Okay, so these have been doing around 200 to 200, 200, 100. This one here is killing it, 1900. That's that unique blue circle box that we were talking about. So they've obviously used a great differentiation strategy as well and just gone completely different. However, I'm talking about this one here because where is it? Let's open it up. This is all they've done. They've just got a little LED box, and it's genius because when you think about it, they're going to be using this usually when they're proposing to someone, right? And if it's dark, and if they've got that little LED and they pop it open, it's going to shine on the ring and it's going to look great. Nice. So this is a perfect example of a great differentiation strategy, which is simple, just be different, okay? Stand out. They've got this unique feature. Find some kind of unique feature. It gives more value and it solves a problem, and it's just a no-brainer that people are going to buy this product, and the proof is in the sales. So with that being said, that's the first product, and I'll move on to the second product now. Okay, so this is the second product I wanted to show you, and what they've used as a differentiation technique strategy is to bundle, okay? So bundling is when you combine a bunch of products together and sell it as like a combination, a pack, a set or something like that. So what they've done here, they're saying this is basically like a baby goods set, or it could be used as a gift for people that are expecting a new baby. It could be a pack that new parents just want to buy for themselves. And what they've done, if you can see all of the products they've got in there, they've got quite a lot. There's the bib things. I've got this big bag, this bumblebee backpack thing. So I looked on Amazon Japan, and all of these products really good popular selling products on Amazon Japan. Okay, so all they've done is a strategy. They've just combined a bunch of them together and offering it as a set. It's as simple as that. And then when they do that, because as a single product, they're quite cheap, but when you combine them, you can see they're able to sell them for 4,580 yen, which is, it's a really good price point. And yeah, so with this strategy, they're able to also, they can rank for each individual product. So they can start ranking this product on the page for bibs, on the page for these baby hooks. And then when the customer comes in and searches for example, baby hooks, they'll see this product and they're like, oh, actually, I need these products as well, and then they're going to buy them. So they've got so many different opportunities to be able to sell this product. So this is another killer example. Okay, so yeah, so those are the two differentiation strategies I wanted to show you in this video. You've got just be unique, offer something different to everyone else, and two, bundling, offer a bundle that actually makes sense and provides value for a customer. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you click that like. Let me know yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, because it's kind of fun. I like making these kind of videos as well. And yeah, if you want to see more videos about how to sell on Amazon Japan, click that subscribe button and that notification bell on to see them when they first come out. All right, that's it, and I'll see you in another one.